This video provides an overview of the Teamcenter integration using the Syndeia web dashboard for Syndeia Release 3.6. We recommend watching the Part 1 introductory videos for the Syndeia web dashboard first, which illustrate how to log into the web dashboard and its general features. In this video, we will emphasize Teamcenter specific issues rather than repeat material covered in the introductory videos. We begin on the repositories page, where we identify the Teamcenter category and expand it to show the specific repositories in this category. If there are no existing repositories, we can add one by selecting Teamcenter and clicking the plus-shaped Add Repositories icon. The Create Repository window requires the user to enter the URL for the Teamcenter repository. In the 3.6 release, Syndeia supports Siemens Active Workspace as well as older web clients. There is an option to enter a different URL and object path string for the Active Workspace. Consult with your Teamcenter admin for the right values. Finally, enter the name to appear in the left column menu, a description, and your username and password for your Teamcenter account. In our case, we are already linked to an existing repository named Teamcenter 14.3 at Intercax. If we need to add or update our access credentials for this, we select it and click the gear-shaped Update Repositories icon. To check your connection, click Test. If you get a green check mark, click Update or Create if it's a new connection. If our credentials are good, Teamcenter 14.3 at Intercax appears in the Tree View column and can be expanded to show the contents of your home page. The Fetch More icon indicates that additional items in the tree can be shown. There are differing icons for folders, parts, trace links, and requirements. For more information on the Teamcenter data model and how it relates to the Syndeia graph, check the Teamcenter section of the API Overview in the Help menu. We can launch the Teamcenter interface in our default browser directly from the tree view by right-clicking an element and selecting More Details. We can also learn more about the objects in the tree view by using the icons on the right. Details shows us the properties of the Teamcenter element, including its name, type, URL, and others. These can be displayed in the default order shown or alphabetically using the icons at the top. Click Details again to close this panel. The search icon allows us to search the repository by ID name or number. We can enter the ID number and find the item. Similarly with name, from the search results on the right, we can right-click an object and access the same functions available in the tree view to the left. As we presented in the introductory videos on Syndeia 3.6, the repositories page shows us only the contents of the underlying repository, in this case, Teamcenter 14.3 at Intercax, but not the intermodel relations. This is true for the Relations view launched by clicking the arrow icon, and for the Digital Thread Explorer, launched by right-clicking an element in the tree view. The intramodel relations for Teamcenter include part assembly connections from the bill of materials and trace links. One key caveat is that the bill of materials connections can only expand downstream, that is, with outgoing direction. However, trace links will expand in both outgoing and incoming directions. As we discussed in the introductory videos, the workspace view of the digital thread projects is very similar to the repositories page, but the intermodel connections to Teamcenter that are specific to the active digital thread project are also displayed in the relations view. And in the Digital Thread Explorer. There are features of the Teamcenter integration, such as model transforms and compare and update operations, which are only accessible from the Syndeia client dashboard. Check out the Teamcenter tutorials and demonstrations under the Syndeia Cameo and Rhapsody plugin headings.